But the same vaccine could not work. You take a solid flu vaccine, you don't think that would have an impact or much of an impact on corona?
No.
Probably none.
Probably not.
After weeks of downplaying the threat of coronavirus to the US, President Donald Trump has finally understood the severity of the outbreak.
People are surprised that I understand it. Every one of these doctors said, how do you know so much about this? Maybe I have a natural ability. Maybe I should have done that instead of running for president.
Now, America is reporting the highest fatality rate in the world at 5.9%. As of March 8th, the US Centers for Disease Control had only identified some 300 cases and 19 deaths. But the inability of labs to test for the disease due to a massive shortage of test kits means the true picture could be much more scary. Interviews with a dozen laboratory experts and government health officials reveal a 6-week series of glitches, missed opportunities, and delays that contributed to the shortage. Epidemiologists know the actual number of sufferers is likely to already be in the tens of thousands. They just can't prove it.
As a nurse, I'm very concerned that not enough is being done to stop the spread of the coronavirus. I know because I am currently sick, in quarantine after caring for a patient who tested positive. They said they would not test me because if I were wearing the recommended protective equipment, then I wouldn't have the coronavirus.
A sick Californian nurse made a desperate appeal for help after spending weeks volunteering at a Northern California Kaiser facility. When she contacted the Federal Centers for Disease Control, they told her they prioritise running samples by illness severity.
This is not a ticket dispenser at the deli counter. It's a public health emergency. I'm a registered nurse and I need to know if I'm positive before going back to care for patients.
After realising the severity of the epidemic, the population has gone into panic mode. Streets that are usually teeming with tourists are empty.
If you are sick, you shouldn't be going to a public event. If you are sick, you shouldn't be going to work. If you're sick, you shouldn't be going on the subway.
Nobody has a clear idea of how far the virus has penetrated US society. But with millions of testing kits set to be deployed this week, the true numbers are set to be revealed.